Here's a 2019 BMW X3. Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, heated sport bucket front seats, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend reports with newfound suppleness to its suspension setup, greater agility, stronger performance, reduced thirst, and expanded roominess, the X3 feels much more like something conceived in Munich should. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.